Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions is mounting roadblocks on the road to the International Privy Council, viewers and subscribers. Now, what has been revealed is that the Court of Appeal panel heard that the men wanted to seek redress in the Privy Council under, I'm not going to use the word where them use, them say grounds, they will use different words, and the matters that constitutional issues were raised. And in this matter, it should be heard before the highest court in local justice system. Just pointing out that we are not seeking international help. The International Court, the Privy Council, that is based in the UK, is our highest court of appeal. We are not seeking international help. Yes, our constitution states that we are still, why you feel like the judge them still wear the white wig. Now, the Senior Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions, Jeremy Taylor, has opposed the application and is still opposing the application currently alongside with the DPP. You remember our statements? She would try her best and she's ready to fight the application. She is currently doing so behind the curtains. Now, he argued that there are no constitutional issues. Therefore, the application should be rejected. However, Bert Samuels, viewers and subscribers, has pointed out that the accused men's right to a fair trial was breached when the case was allowed to continue on the advice of the DPP, Paula Lewin, despite a poisoned jury. Remember, at them say jury tampering took place. So isn't that means for the trial to either be redone, the jury changed, or the case itself be thrown out? Now, as it speaks to the weight, Bert Samuels used that term, I'm going to use it. He say incestuous, meaning we are now waiting on the appeal court to release the case so we can take it to the bigger brother. So that the bigger brother can say, what you know? A joke thing, we look at brother in Jamaica deal as a justice system. And these are not how court matters are handled. But notice the prosecution and the judges, both paid by the government, are in, what would I say? As we him use the term, Mr. Bert Samuels used the term, in some form of relationship to keep these individuals behind the bars. If you notice, my country never point out, the Governor General extended Paula Lewin's term. She was supposed to retire, but they must say no. She's doing such a great job. They're going to keep her on. What is the great job being done? Statistics have shown that our situation has risen substantially over the years since she has been Director of Prosecution. The high profile cases in which Jamaica as a nation seek justice for, we have not received justice. With time to point out the case and the people must say true. You know the case, them comment them in the comment section, of which we as a people will seek justice. And the prosecution failed to grant us this justice what we are seek. All of the people who Jamaica say, alright, see it now, these people are going to be prosecuted. We not hear nothing. They have changed the Minister of Education to somebody with dreadlocks. and are now saying that dreadlocks, or kids with dreadlocks, will not be accepted at certain high schools. And this minister has said nothing. The former minister, after that big public scandal, we have said, alright, the DPP are going to step in now and some justice. We're not hearing nothing more about the case. Is this the justice that we are seeking as a nation? No. But anytime them do things of this nature and then not deliver justice, them put and parade these other individuals in front of our eyes and then blame all of the national atrocities on them and say, see the people who are causing it. A dancehall music and the dancehall artists, them are for them fault. No, the problems can't so shallow. If the problems were so simple, we'd have fixed them already. The roots of the problem run deeper than that. And the people not being prosecuted, there's where the trouble lies. Them are present a roadblock viewers and subscribers. The wait is because them still oppose the application, even though it should be out of their hands. All them get a say in a this. Remember, you know, the case is presented to these judges, and we matter to a higher court. These are matters for a judge. How is the prosecution's thoughts, opinion, statements? Why does it even matter when the decision is in the judge's hands? So me something happen. Bert Samuels I call them out on it. Something happen, and Bert Samuels I call them out. You must say this wrong. A years now, he might work as a lawyer, and he has never seen this take place. He'll even start to point out, say, we don't necessarily need them to sign out. Truth be told. And we got a reason about that. And if you don't want to hear about that, so you know, say more content. Yeah, Bert Samuels has pointed out that, truth be told, if them for try to say what you know, no, we're not going to leave. Because them can't say that. It is within their power to say that. But it is not within their power to stop us from taking the case internationally. And it would be even worse, truth be told, if them would tell us, say, no, don't take your case internationally. Because when the international court, which is our highest court, Mr. La pointed out, looks at the matter, first statement made will be, then why they never want the case forward to us? Are they not in acknowledgement that we are the highest court? But they might try for the branch out. They might try for branch out and do them own thing. What can I wait? If them still wear the white wig and our highest court of appeal is in the UK, but them want to make a decision to keep this case locally and don't make the international eyes or ears see it, then what they might try for do? They might run rogue. Our justice system is running rogue. I don't know what take place. Talk to me in the comment section. As the information presented said, we will be reasoning about it. It now go unmentioned. No, it now go unmentioned. We will be discussing it, viewers and subscribers. Because at this point in time, some people say why it matters to you so much. It matters to all of us. You just not pay attention. People always say this. You don't know the law, you're not a liar. But do you know that majority of people who are not liars who know the law are actually people who have had run-ins with the law? Now, Vybz Kartel situation, why it is so important to me myself is, during this case, I learn a whole heap about laws locally and laws internationally and how they are opposing forces in our laws locally. Not just saying there's one law for the rich and one law for the other set, but even the fact that we have a higher court in the UK, but locally people still see taking our matters to the higher court in the UK as seeking international help. It is not so. Have you ever wondered why the judges wear the white wig? Why them wear the white wig? Where the white wig forward from? It forward from the UK. It's why them used to wear the white wig in America, and it's why them stop wear it. Cause them say it's a UK tradition, and they are American, and they must set their own traditions. We have not, because our justice system is intertwined with the UK's justice system. So why are not procedures being followed to the letter? Talk to me in the comment section. I'd like to know your opinion. In this day and age, the people are very opinionated. What's the comment section is there to facilitate that type of movement? So talk to me. Comment section always open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Yeah, man. But other than that, we can continue reason from the comment section to talk to me there. Vital one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminded, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reasoning, and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Yeah, man, now move settings from our winner need and ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours that will live, love, and prosper until we reason again.